Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you the location of the spare tire and spare tire tools. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so on this vehicle, spare tire and the tools are located in the trunk area. So you want to open the trunk and then you want to leave this floor cover as well, all the way up. And under it there is the spare tire. Now, as you can see, there is no tools anywhere around it. So what you want to do, you just want to unscrew this all the way and you want to remove the spare tire, and under the spare tire you will have tools. One more thing I will add. Now unfortunately Ford Taurus doesn't have a full-size spare tire, it has a dummy tire. So the maximum allowable speed on this tire is 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour. And you shouldn't be driving faster on this tire. So it's pretty much here just to help you out to get to the closest tire shop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.